Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve property marketing with BoxBrownie. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the BoxBrownie website. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Log in to your BoxBrownie account. Once logged in, navigate to the property marketing section. Choose the service that best suits your needs, such as photo editing or virtual staging. For photo editing, upload your images directly from your device. Select the specific edits you require, such as image enhancement or twilight conversions. Review your images to ensure they are uploaded correctly. After uploading, click on the Order Now button. For virtual staging, select a room type and upload the empty images. Browse through the available furniture styles to find the perfect match. Once you have chosen your style, confirm your selection. Submit your order and wait for the processing notification. After a short wait, check your email for the completed images. Review the edited images in your BoxBrownie account. Download the images to use in your marketing materials. Utilize these enhanced images across your listings and social media platforms to attract more interest. Make sure to track the engagement to measure the effectiveness of your new marketing strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.